Hi, this is a video on Chapter 1, How to Draw a Diagram. Now I want to first apologize for the volume. My microphone doesn't work very well, so you might hear quite a bit of static throughout. I make more videos, I'm going to get a new microphone for this. So, drawing a diagram. So this strategy, when you draw a diagram, what you want to do is you want to make sense of the problem. Don't hesitate to draw anything. You don't have to be an artist to draw anything useful. And if you can visualize, draw the diagram. So basically we're trying to take a story and put a picture to it. So here's the story. Curly used a shovel to dig his own swimming pool. He figured he needed a pool because digging it was hard work and he could use it to cool off after working on it all day. He also planned to build a rectangular concrete deck around the pool that would be 6 feet wide at all points. The pool is rectangular and measures 14 feet by 40 feet. What is the area of the deck? So we don't really care about the pool itself, we care about the deck around the pool. So right away we know something. We know that we have a rectangular pool and a rectangular deck, and the deck is 6 feet wide, and the pool is rectangular and it measures 14 feet by 40 feet. So I kind of underline some key points, and so what I want to do is I want to try to draw this picture. Okay, so when we draw a diagram, I have my rectangular pool, and they said that the rectangular pool is 14 feet by 40 feet. And then we've got this rectangular deck all the way around. So I'm going to draw a rectangular deck all the way around. And they said that the rectangular deck is 6 feet wide. So that means that this piece right here is 6 feet. This piece right here is 6 feet. So when I'm trying to figure out the distance from here to here, I'm going to take 40 feet plus 6 feet plus another 6 feet. So I'm just going to write that out. Plus 6 plus 6. And that's equal to 52 feet. Okay, the other direction goes the same way. This is 6 and this is 6. So my total distance from this point to this point is 14 plus 6, which is 26 feet. Okay, so we figured out outside distance, we figured out the inside distance, and so what we want to do is we want to find the area of the deck. So what we need to do is we need to first find the area of the entire thing. So if I would find the area of this entire figure, that would be, so I'm going to write that down, my total area is going to be 52 times 26. And 52 times 26, if I use my calculator off to the side here, is 1,352 square feet. Okay, but that's not the area of the deck, because right now that's the area of the deck and the area of the pool. So what I need to do is I need to find the area of the pool. And my pool is 40 by 14, so it's 40 times 14, and that's 560 feet, square feet. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is to find the area of the deck, I'm going to write out some words. Area of the deck is equal to my total area minus my area of the pool. And so the area of the deck is equal to 1,352 minus 560. So that's equal to 792 square feet. And when I'm drawing a diagram, I want to see the picture and I want to see all the steps that you did. And then when you write up your problems and your answers, I have an example on the website to show you how to write up those problems. Okay, let's do another example, a different type of problem. Okay, so here we have Andrew and his friends have formed a fantasy basketball league in which each team plays 3 games against each other. 3 games against each of the other teams. There are 7 teams: Texas A&M, Purdue, Alabama, Oregon, Boston College, the Air Force, Florida. How many games will they play in all? Okay, so basically, we need to figure out if they play each other one time, how many games is that? How can we set that up? So in order to set that up, let me see if I can scroll down. There we go. I'm going to draw myself a little diagram. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, all right, I've got Texas A&M, Aggies. I'm going to use A to represent them. Purdue Boilermakers, I'm going to use B to represent them. And then C, D, so I'm going to let a letter represents each team. And there's 7 teams, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I'm just letting a letter represent each team. So this will be my A for the Aggies, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, and so Team A, which is Texas A&M, they're going to play Team B, C, D, E, F, and G. And so right away, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 games. Okay, let's use a different color. Now Team B, we already played Team A, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Team B, now there's 5 more games. Because keep in mind, they already played Team A, and we don't want to play them again. Okay, so Team C. Team C already played A and played B, so now we're going to play C and D, E, F, and G. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus 4. Okay, and let's go. Team D is going to play E, F, and G. So that's plus 3. And E is going to play F and G. And then we have one last team. F and G will play. And there's nothing else that we have to do. And so we're going to add those up. So 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 21 games. And so, but they said in the beginning that each team will play each other 3 times. And so this is if we play them once. So there's going to be 21 games if each person gets played, if they play each team once. So if we take 21 times 3, we will get 63 games. Okay, let's try one more problem, a little bit different. Okay, so this time, Farmer Ben has only ducks and cows. He can't remember how many of each he has, but he doesn't need to remember because he knows he has 22 animals, and that 22 is also his age. He also knows that the animals have a total of 56 legs, because 56 is also his father's age. Assuming that each animal has all the legs intact and no extra limbs, how many of each animal does Farmer Ben have? So he has ducks and cows. And one thing about ducks and cows, ducks have 2 legs, cows have 4. And he knows he has 22 animals. So one thing that you could do is obviously draw a diagram, is you can draw 22 animals. So I'm going to draw 22 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now pretend that he has all ducks. So if he has all ducks, he would have 2 legs. Each animal would have 2 legs. And so if I give every animal 2 legs, that would get me up to 44 legs. And 44 legs isn't enough. So I have some cows in here. I need 56 legs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, well, right now I'm at 44. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Now I'm at 56 legs. And so then that means that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cows. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 ducks. Okay, so what I would do is I do want a little write-up about what you did, not just the picture. And so let me show you what that looks like. So basically I would just say, hey, I know that each animal has 2 legs or 4 legs. So each animal has 2 or 4 legs. So what did I do first? I drew 22 basically bodies. And gave them 2 legs to represent 22 ducks. This was only 44 legs. So I added 2 legs to the bodies. Until I reached 56 legs. So therefore, I have 6 cows and 16